Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best DJI Air Unit is probably one of the most exciting FPV systems available right now, offering a fantastic blend of performance and ease of use. This all-in-one digital HD video transmission system from DJI has revolutionized the FPV experience, providing stunning 720p/120 fps video with incredibly low latency. If you're looking to upgrade your FPV drone, or just getting started, you're in the right place. Number 5. Holy Stone HS724K UHD GPS Drone. This drone features an optimized full HD camera with a shock absorption holder. It captures high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. The adjustable lens lets you see the world from different angles. Never worry about losing the drone. It automatically returns when the battery is low or the signal is lost. You can also set it to follow you, fly a preset path, or circle a point of interest, allowing you to focus on your photography. With two intelligent batteries, you get a total of 52 minutes of flight time. The brushless motors provide a quieter flight and consume less power. The foldable design and carrying case make it easy to take this drone with you. Multiple sensors ensure stable hovering and high-quality photos. Features like one-key start-stop and altitude hold make it simple to control, even for beginners. Optical flow positioning works well when GPS signal is weak. The 2.4 GHz transmitter offers a long control range. The LED screen displays battery level and GPS signal. A button controls the drone's light, and right-hand throttle mode is available. Remember to remove the protective film before use. What we like. This drone boasts a stunning 4K UHD camera, ensuring your videos are crisp and detailed. It also features GPS-assisted flight, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. If you are looking for a drone with reliable flight features and high-quality video capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. The DJI Air Unit is a great product. The range is very good. The video quality is excellent. Number 4. Holy Stone HS440 Drone with 1080p Camera. This drone features a 1080p HD camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens, adjustable up to 90 degrees. It allows you to capture breathtaking aerial scenery and record every memorable moment from above. Whether you're at the beach or a family gathering, it can handle it all. With its powerful modular battery, you can enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture more footage on a single charge. This drone's foldable frame packs intuitive and advanced features. It provides complete freedom wherever you go, and it comes with a carrying case for easy transport. Explore your world without limitations. The drone is designed for ease of use with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering. One-key high-speed rotation adds extra fun to your flights. The sky is the limit with this user-friendly design. It's a must-have for beginners, offering intelligent functions like emergency stop and headless mode. Its long flight time is perfect for practicing and mastering your skills. What we like. The HS440 offers a 1080p HD camera with adjustable angles, allowing you to capture a variety of shots. It also has a modular battery for extended flight times. If you are a beginner or looking for a drone with simple operation and great features, this drone is a great choice. What people say. Out of the box, the drone was extremely easy to set up. There is a button to take off and land the drone, and the controllers respond extremely well without being overly sensitive. Number 3. DJI Avata ProView Combo, DJI Goggles 2. Get ready for total immersion and intuitive control with this amazing drone. Combined with the goggles and motion controller, flying becomes accessible to everyone. With the DJI motion controller, intuitive flight is in your hands. Just squeeze the trigger to move forward or turn with a simple wrist movement. This drone features an upgraded camera system, so no extra attachments are needed. Enjoy next-level imagery with its impressive sensor and stabilization features. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and allows for agile maneuvers. Fly through tight spaces and take it with you on any adventure. This drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety features. The built-in propeller guard allows it to handle minor contact and keep flying. Get a sharp and responsive HD live feed with DJI O3 Plus video transmission at distances of up to 10 kilometers. It ensures a stable and clear connection. This drone is compatible with various DJI accessories, unlocking different possibilities. It offers a versatile and customizable flying experience. What we like. This drone provides an immersive first-person view experience with its goggles and motion controller. It also captures ultra-smooth 4K footage. If you like a thrilling and intuitive flying experience, this drone will take your aerial adventures to the next level. What people say. The DJI Air Unit is a great product. It has a very good range. The video quality is excellent. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC, 4K Mini Drone. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is so light that it doesn't require registration in most places. Its foldable design makes it super easy to take with you wherever you go. Capture stunning 4K 60 frames per second video and 48MP photos with this drone. The advanced camera system, with dual native ISO and f1.7 aperture, ensures high-quality images, anytime. This drone offers true vertical shooting, perfect for social media. The gimbal rotates 90 degrees, so you can capture amazing portrait shots without losing any quality. Enjoy up to 34 minutes of flight time. This allows you to capture more footage and explore more of your surroundings. With tridirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, this drone brings unmatched safety. You can fly with confidence knowing it helps avoid obstacles. It offers many intelligent features, including focus track and master shots. Plus, it comes with the new DJI RC, which has a built-in HD display. What we like. Weighing less than 249 g, this drone doesn't require registration in most regions, making it incredibly convenient. It also shoots in 4K video. If you are looking for a compact and easy-to-carry drone with advanced features, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The camera shots are awesome right out of the box. I like the controller. I don't have a ton to say about it other than there are a lot of cool features built into it for different camera shots, and it is a definite bonus to have the screen built in, so I do not need to use my phone. Great video and photo quality, and easy to understand gimbal controls. Decent zoom. Number 1. Holy Stone HS-175D 4K GPS drone. This drone features a 4K camera, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos. Wide-angle lens ensures you can fit more of the scenery into every shot. Easily adjust the camera angle to get the perfect shot. Whether you're capturing a landscape or a quick follow shot, it offers flexibility. Experience a smooth and stable live view with the 5 GHz FPV transmission. This makes it easier to frame your shots and fly with confidence. The GPS-assisted flight supports auto return to home. If the signal is lost or the battery is low, it will automatically return, helping you avoid losing it. With 2 batteries, you get up to 46 minutes of flight time. This gives you plenty of time to explore and capture more footage without frequent recharges. It includes features like altitude hold and one-key takeoff landing. These features make it easier for beginners to fly and capture stable footage. The foldable design and carrying case make it perfect for travel. Enjoy smart flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, plus gesture control for quick photos and videos. What we like. This drone features a 4K camera for sharp, detailed shots, perfect for capturing your adventures. It also offers up to 46 minutes of flight time. If you are a beginner looking for a drone with long flight times and easy-to-use controls, you should consider this one. What people say. The DJI Air Unit is a great product. The video quality is excellent. It has a good range. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.